Lightning fans. Welcome to the TECO People's Gas Cooking Challenge. Today I have two young guys on the team with me here today. I got Brayden and I got Jake Dotchin. We're going to be doing a little cooking to start with. We're going to do some pancakes. The game starts right now. Game on.
All right.
Three, two, one. That's it. All right, guys, let's see what we have here in the first round. Well, let's look at both of these before I try them.
All right.
Brayden's not bad. Jake, I think the presentation's a little bit better now.
You can't even tell it's a pancake, Brad.
Yeah, I don't know. This one, not too bad.
Yeah, it's chocolate chip, banana, whipped cream, and maple syrup.
Not bad. A little burnt on the bottom.
Mine's a bit burnt on both sides, so. Oh, it looks good on the inside.
Yeah. Not too bad. Let's see. Jake?
Got a little blueberry, chocolate chip in there, lots of whipped cream. Fair amount of syrup.
The winner of round one, I'm going to have to give it to defenseman Jake Dotchin.
Yep.
A little bit better. Sorry, Brayden.
I can understand, yeah.
Centerman. I wanted to go with the centerman, but I decided to go with the
Well, there's
defenseman.
always next round, right?
Yeah, there's always next round.
All right, Brian Bradley will have his new Food Network show soon. Brayden Point, that was weak. All right, Jake goes up 1-zip. Visit peoplesgas.com/cooking for info on energy conservation rebates, tips, and tasty recipes to get yourself cooking with natural gas.